Hey guys, welcome back. So dugi-dugi na mga 1 month na taguro wala ka
Vlog or anything or
vlog
any
or anything.
updates.
So this one is not a vlog, it's just, kind of a review. Okay, so nakita nyo naman sa title. So we're reviewing the vintage camera. So wala pa ko kaagi gamit yung vintage camera gid. Like mayara film pero hindi siya interchangeable lens. Bago ni siya para sa akon. Bago maniguro para sa imo. Bala nyo naman, I am a musician. Uli lang ko naging photographer. But sa camera do ka interesting para sa akon nga vintage. Something do like it's dated. Yan siya. Di man siya photographer. Di nagaling ng cam.
I don't know. It's my father's.
Yep.
And kimbakal na ni sang sa Japan. And as subong araw man siya gamit sa balay. But do wala lang daw bayan lang man naman. We're not that interested sa ako niya account. But then, he is very interested in it and asked me to bring it here. I don't even know how to use it. So, siya nang bahala mag-explore. Yeah, gindala ko lang gito siya.
Yeah.
Kasi told me to.
No, may man siya mag-picture actually. So, medyo may photographer blood siya siguro from her
Wow.
father. Kagi picture si papa mo?
I don't know. I wasn't born yet.
Using this
time.
cam?
Siguro,
May na-develop siya from that cam.
I don't know. Wala.
Oh no, this is so mysterious.
Let's start.
Let's start
Okay.
checking the camera.
Only
Only what?
ayun lang, lens lang dali.
Ooh. Wow! As in metal, good siya. Wait, din ang focus. So this is the focus one. What? What is this?
I don't know.
Oh! This one is like 49 millimeter lens from... No! This is a filter. Yeah, may UV filter siya. So, UV filter. But this is so... Modern lenses are plastic laban. Like sa mga mahal ti, syempre metal. But this one is like really heavy.
Very heavy. So actually, at first, hindi ko sure kung
Yeah.
tuod siya. Or
So-
but I tried this.
This is a Canon 10 to 22 millimeters. So this is like half plastic, half metal, half rubber. But this one is all metal. And this is 1.8. This one is 3.5 to 4.5. And I don't know what is this. Is like a clicky thingy. Maybe for the focus ring. But I don't know kung ano ni. Maybe. Yeah. Cool. Next one.
This is it. Of course.
Okay. So
It's the
the
real thing.
real thing.
There you go.
What? Ano nita ko?
Yeah, I think.
So this is the camera, guys. Look at it. Look at it. It's Pentax Asahi. Asahi is like a canned goods here in Philippines.
Don't know how to.
I don't know how to use it either. I know how to open it.
Ito.
Okay, so this is also metal, all metal. And it has a zoom lens, also a prime lens. So it's 135, 135. I want to use it.
I don't know. I don't know what's this for. I don't know this one.
Then ang shutter button. Oh, this one.
I did not know that.
Oh, you have to do
that,
this.
and then-
So it
that.
means...
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Oh, that's why.
I'm
I
very...
remember. Diba ang mga
I'm so
film,
noob.
ano, bala?
Yeah.
Diba? May
Yeah.
ginagawa naman ganun.
So you're moving the film. Okay, then you take another, then you... Whoa, look at this. Focus.
Magka-focus na siya.
What?
Yeah.
This is... I can see you there, guys.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I don't know how to... You try.
It's real.
Oh. So this is the focus ring. I wish I can take pictures on this. What is this one?
Oh,
I'm destroying
I
it.
don't know.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, it's like a
timer.
film rewinder, I think.
Oh, really?
Is it a timer? I don't think it's a timer. It's so cool. Okay, so we have a shutter speed. And this is bulb. B is for bulb. Shutter speed. You know shutter speed, right? Yeah. You know shutter speed. So, how to open this one? Something like this one? Or something like this?
A few moments later. Oh, yeah.
I need to Google this. That's the hardest part about vintage camera kay hindi man siya problema, and ang nami sa film kay you don't have to like try. One film, make it perfect. But I think it looks perfect.
Ako balo pa no. So,
Ang lens. Mine one? Oh no. Ito. Oh!
oh.
But ooh! Whoa!
Oh, yeah, you have to clean this.
Yeah, I don't know how to clean a lens actually. But we're using the 49mm one. Let's try this one. Ooh! So close.
Let me see.
Ayun. Naka 500 ISO ko. Shutter.
Oh,
Mas light siya, di ba?
wow.
Oh, ka-picture niya siya. Oh!
It's a real high.
1.8. So, this is the blurriest blur. Whoa! I don't know. I'm looking through
That's the clearest I could get.
yeah, I think. So, gets ko na. So, this one is as the shutter speed. So, 1 to 1000. Then, this one is an aperture ring. And this one is a focus ring. So, for this one, yung aperture is 3.5 to 22. So, yeah, this is very good lens. You think so? You wanna try it? I don't know how. Saan mo na nabalan?
Lagay ko na ba lang yung remote ko na? Like, ever since.
Ever since you have this one?
No?
Before you have this one?
Yeah.
Oh, are you intrigued?
Not as much as you are.
What? I like old
Yeah, it
stuff.
looks good.
I like old stuff.
It does.
That's it, guys, for our vintage camera review thingy. Yeah. So if you want more about this, if you want us to use this one, please comment below. Looking forward to use this. So like, subscribe. See you next video.